In the event of all altcoins breaking out in green, which among the lot should you be choosing? In today's video, we are going to be looking at those 3 cryptos that will make your heart happy and wallet smile. Welcome to Moneymaker. Moneymaker is a channel dedicated to helping others become financially independent through cryptocurrency trading and investing. Amid the massive crowd of altcoins in the crypto market, it becomes challenging to identify which currency is best for you and can make you a millionaire if you are investing in it. We are here to make life easier for you with our recommendation of the top 3 cryptocurrencies that you should be keeping your eyes on. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button, comment down which among the 3 will you be choosing for your investment. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Well, before we jump right through it, please note that the crypto market is volatile. Therefore, the token prices mentioned here would have switched to a whole different range by the time you watch this video. In addition to this, the information shared in this video does not intend to be taken as a piece of financial or investment advice. The content in this video was created solely to suffice the purpose of being informative. You are requested to conduct your due diligence or consult an expert in this regard to make better investment decisions. With that being said, let's get into it.
No!
Very recently, the market was hit by a massive wave of red trade. We lost nearly 1.5% of the investment. However, with the revival and the new month, we see some perfect trade in green, which is expected to stay for an extended time. Therefore, while the market is still in the revival phase, it is the best time to be investing in the most influential crypto. Starting with the third one, number 3, Algorand and its vast market. Algorand is one of such cryptocurrencies which is talked about less in the market. However, even high, there isn't much hue and cry for this one. This token is pretty much stealing a large portion of the market to work on its charisma. Algorand is an open-source, decentralized blockchain that operates on a 2-tiered structure and aims at increasing transaction speeds. Algorand is currently taking up the market space that XRP had marked. These 2 tokens are much alike. However, there is certainly a tiny bi-relevant point of difference. XRP aims to eradicate the entire existing financial system and conquer the market all by itself. But when it comes to Algorand, this token is mainly tilted towards enabling a system that is a bit similar to XRP, but does contain replacing the existing system. Instead, plans on working with the existing system and making it better. Algorand was built by Silvio Macaulay, an MIT professor and Turing Award winner, who kept certain similarities between Algorand and Cardano. It was developed after teaming up with academics and business leaders as the proof-of-stake blockchain network, a better and a safer version, a staking platform to earn staking rewards where investors can rely on. Well, Algorand is way smarter than Cardano because it already has smart contracts capability, which Cardano is expected to launch in September.
Oh yeah? How come I got...
Number 2, Ethereum and its new launch. Ethereum, which is the second most popular and most prominent cryptocurrency in the crypto market, is the second most vital token to keep your eyes on. Ethereum token was revolutionary, and it was because of this token the trend line changed in terms of technological development of the others. Well, Ethereum would be one of the most important tokens for this month because there are hardly any chances of Ethereum dropping. Instead, the token has already launched its long-awaited and somewhat controversial hard fork called the London Update. The London hard fork is a part of the Ethereum network shift from POW to POS, which, in the long term, should have a favorable influence on ETH pricing. The switch to the new algorithm will slow down Ethereum issuance, causing a deflationary effect. Simon Peters, a market analyst and a cryptocurrency expert at eToro, gave a delightful comment on the Ethereum London update. He said that this update would make Ethereum much greener and more energy efficient. This hard fork is the single most significant upgrade to the Ethereum network since 2015 and has had an important implication for the cost of fees on the blockchain. Please note that this update is nothing comparable to the significant ETH2 upgrade carried on the token's blockchain network in stages to solve Ethereum's issues with its scalability and sustainability problems. According to Vitalik Buterin, the entire major ETH2 upgrade will not be completed until 2022, which would make an even more positive impact on the price action and the stability of the network. According to CoinDesk, the hope behind the rollout of the hard fork update was that this update would decrease the quantity of Ethereum in the market, would stabilize the transaction fees, and improve the transaction times. Number 1. Once a big brother, always a big brother. Since the start of this month, Bitcoin has been giving a momentous high trend and is expected to continue being in this cycle. Exactly 1 week earlier, on 1st August, this token passed its 8 consecutive days of green trading candles. And most importantly, this was the first time in 2 years that Bitcoin was trading green for such an extended time frame. To say the least, while we entered in June, Bitcoin's price was disturbed, and the reason was Elon Musk and Tesla. However, with the market recovering and Bitcoin trading the highest, there are immensely high possibilities that Bitcoin would continue and trade even higher as a result of the market correction. Well, the token prices continued to go up once Amazon decided to put up a job post seeking a leader in product management with regards to cryptocurrency payments. Bitcoin continues to rise even after giving such high scores. Experts say the disciplinary measure was a significant push for Bitcoin's price action, which is expected to hit $100,000 by the end of this year. Very recently, Bitcoin climbed above $46,000, its highest since May 17. Barely after surpassing its major highs at $46,030, due to the steep rise, Bitcoin wasn't able to maintain its peak and fell back, declining to $45,000, its current price while recording the video. Additional CoinDesk data shows that the price of Bitcoin surged to around $46,200 shortly after that, and then fluctuated around that level for the next several hours. So, which one to choose from? These three are more likely to give the most effective and high returns for this month. However, that certainly does not stop you all from investing in other cryptos. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, AMP, and Cardano are some other tokens that also have a similar price trajectory predicted for this month, only because they are associated with some lagging catalysts, which in turn depends on a contingent event. There are lesser chances and lower return rates for these tokens. According to the market statistics and development, the entire market is bound to be trading green and flying in the last month of December. Therefore, it is advisable to look for midterm investments that could benefit you and the crypto market. Not to mention, in the time frame of 2 weeks or so, we will see a broader crypto market adoption process, because the investment inflows in the market are growing, along with the fear and greed index. Buy and hold would be the best strategy one can play at this point. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.
Go away!
If you found this video informational, consider hitting that like button, subscribe to the channel, comment down which among the three you are eyeing, and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss out on any new updates from us. And we will see you all in our next video. Till then, stay safe and keep investing. Goodbye.